All right. It's awkward. Here we go. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Today's day 56, and it's bright outside. We got off stream at like, oh, what time did I get off stream? Well, I was about to say too. That was not right. We got off stream at 5 this morning. I'm back less than 12 hours later, but with the expectation that if I get some work in now, um, I can turn down for the rest of the evening. So I really don't know what I'm planning on working on right now, if I'm being totally honest. Um, Earlier this morning when I was ending stream, I was kind of in the middle of taking a look at the free code camp curriculum. And that is because I mentioned it on a different stream, but I'm not even gonna say considering. I've been wanting to do this. Okay, I've been wanting to do slash planning to do this project for a while, and what I really have been wanting to do is to basically teach some of the existing curriculums, the open source curriculums that are out there, because something such as Free Code Camp, which I think is really fantastic, is awesome by itself, but a lot of times, folks, we need a little bit of, just at least a little bit of support in that process in addition to your curriculum. It makes a big difference. It makes a huge difference. So I'm thinking about um I want to go through this curriculum today. First thing I need to do is get signed in. So that's what I'm trying to do. I have done free code camp, so like I have a free code camp account somewhere. I don't know what it's attached to though, because every time I try to sign in, it doesn't work. Yeah, see, I can't sign in with my GitHub. I can't. Oh, that did sign in, but it didn't. Menu, curriculum. Um, okay, well, I'm in here, but this is not my original account. My account's so old. I think something happened at one point when they were doing a rebuild. So I can't sign into my account. Pretty sure that's the account I was originally using. Okay, whatever. That's fine. I'm in here enough to be able to see the curriculum. So let's decide where these windows will live today. I would really love to get something done today, but also I'm not trying to be on here forever because I'm tired. Okay. My bad. I had to turn my screen brightness up though. I turned it down. when I was streaming in the middle of the night. Now, okay, so let me share this screen. Oh, jeez. I'm running low on brain cells today, so forgive me. That's not even the right screen. Because of course not. Why would you do what I want you to do? I must have did that. Okay, here we go. Yeah. So this, I don't think this account has any material. I don't think it has any material completed, but that's fine. Excuse me. What I care about right now is I want to see the curriculum, and I want to see what I could start with. So they have responsive web. I was thinking full stack. Oh, look at Mirza. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's crazy. Hey, I'm here. LOL. I thought it, for some reason I was reading hey, I'm here too. Did you have to work today? Yeah, my brain cells are like very low. That's not funny, it's the truth. It's not that bad, but I'm like, I really genuinely could go to sleep. And Justice is taking a nap right now too, so I want to try to catch him. Ooh, okay, there's a Odin project free code camp remix. What does that even mean? The Odin is the did I say that the other day when we were talking about it? I think the Odin project, I think I mentioned that was the other one that I was considering presenting. Oh, you start on the 27th. Okay. I knew you said you were going to orientation. And then they have, wait, so what? Huh. So they basically put a browser front end over top of the Odin project. Links and images. Let's see. Is this all of the Odin project? I might have to start there. Let me see the curriculum. Ooh, I remember they got Ruby on Rails. Oh, I haven't done that in a while. Okay. Wait. Y'all make it seem so simple here. 1, 2, 3. Is this corresponding with what I'm looking at? Learn foundations. No, they done came up with their own. So if I wanted to get started, how does one go about such a thing? All right, I'm not about to go down that rabbit hole. But okay, so the original idea was that I just really wanted to do some more formal instruction using some existing curriculums that are already out there, and be a bit more of a resource for folks who are trying to transition, because the downside of doing everything online, and that like if you're self-teaching and stuff like that, is that typically in that situation, a lot of folks, they don't have access to an instructor, let alone like, other folks that are going through the process as well, and can support their journeys. So this is what I'm thinking about. I haven't looked at my calendar. I'm pretty sure I originally planned to start this in March. But essentially, in order to start, I need to know how long it takes to finish. HTML. I know a lot of this material, but I'm gonna have to go through this. Okay, wait, this is the whole front end? This is the whole front end, right? Responsive web designing, at least. Okay. Let me see. This one is in beta. They still... You have to do that one, though. Wait, what's under backend then? Yeah, it goes straight to packages, Node, Express. Okay, so you have to do JavaScripts separately. But this one is in beta. It's not really clear what that means as far as completion. Okay, they do still have the legacy one, which I guess would be fine to have as a fallback. ES6, regular expression. When I get that moment and I'm like, oh, I hate this thing, that's probably all the more reason for me to spend some time on it. I'm not like a big user of regular expressions, but that doesn't mean they're not super useful. And very helpful to learn. Debugging, data structures, algorithm scripting. Okay. So now I got a question. Does Free Code Camp ever at any point say, hey, this is how long we think our material takes? What exactly is it? How will it help me? Is it really free? Can I get a job? What skills will I learn? How long does it take? Yes. That's not helpful. Dang it, they're gonna make me do the work. It says it's self-paced and it may take several years of practicing coding to learn skills well enough to get a job. That's not helpful. I was hoping they would be like, hey, if you committed like 20 hours a week, this would round out to in like 3 days a week or something like that, or 20 hours a week, or part-time, full-time, kind of like split. So I'm gonna have to estimate these. Okay, so you need, if you want to be full stack, you need responsive, which gets you a certificate, right? You need I turned that feature off. You need responsive, and then you need JavaScript. Is this the order you're supposed to go in? Because it skips to visualization. Okay, you need this one, then this one. You probably need this. React is in here, I'm sure. Bootstrap. Ew. jQuery. SAS Redux. React Redux. Okay. And then front end development libraries, data visualization. Is this in Python? It's D3. Okay. So I think I would personally skip data visualization on the first round. Relational database. Okay. Relational and then back end. Now what does this say? All right, so this is a little old, so I don't know. This could be dated, these instructions, but this is still what they have linked. So that's more so setup requirements that people need for this one. And then this is back end. See, because like one of the programs I teach for, I gotta look at this and see, but this material would be like, I think it's about a month part-time. That's how long we usually take. Ooh, microservices. Okay. See, this is the type of day where I wish I had a freaking wish I had a printer. I'm so old school. I can go print though. I might go to a co-working space this week and print some stuff. I'm such an old school person. I will literally print out slides, and especially teaching, like it's of course, I don't know, it's weird. It's like I code and I teach code, so it's like it kind of makes sense for everything to be on your laptop, but honestly it's nothing like usually when I was teaching in person, I always had like a notebook, a binder with my slides and everything. Like I always use that as a reference. And I really prefer to like print all my slides out and then actually take physical notes, teaching notes and stuff on there. I don't know why, I don't know. It seems so much more natural for me for some reason. I need to, basically what I want to do is I'm gonna have to find a way. I'm gonna have to find a way to track like how I want to do my notes, because I doubt I'm gonna go in here. I'm not about to go in here and make every single go one by one for every single one of these. Let me see what they repo look like. Maybe I can do something with the repo. Oh, it did open. Oh, it didn't? Oh. I don't know what I'm thinking. GitHub. Black Lotus Games, thank you for following. Welcome. Happy Sunday. The state of the Octoverse. How haven't I seen that? Okay, let's go to Free Code Camp. Because all of their curriculum is in a repository, so maybe there's a more programmatic way that I can get myself set up with the curriculum. Challenges in English. All right, so like for example, let's start here. Basic HTML, that's probably the first one. I figured there was markdown files involved. Each one has a description. Wait, okay. Pause. Let me not get ahead of myself. So each one has a description. These are the challenges. So I don't know if this might be separate from the content, the educational content, I should say. Description, clicking this. Yeah, see, that's literally somebody car over here backfiring. That's literally just the challenge. Okay, so let's go back. There's a curriculum server. Challenges, dictionary, schema, test. Right? I'm not tripping. There's only challenges, dictionaries, schema, tests. So that should be DB, and that should be like the test suite. Gonna lurk while I slowly do laundry. Thank you for the lurk. Happy Saturday. I mean Sunday. My brain is fried, bro. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, let's light our candle too. I think this one is almost gone, if I'm not mistaken. It's very low. It's like, I don't know if y'all can even see it. It's very low. You can see how much space is left in the jar. It's like this much left in this big old jar. That's okay though. I got a couple of Blame Mirza. I got a couple of candles the same day I got these. So I have another candle waiting at the ready. I've been appreciating having my little work candle though. It sets the vibe for sure. What am I looking at? Comments. All right, this is not getting me anywhere. I'm not trying to make my life harder. I was just hoping, it would be like, bam, there you go. This folder has a markdown file for each one of the lessons. And then all you gotta do this helps at least. It has a quick overview of all the bullet points I need to start. It's about to be fun. Managing packages, basic Node and Express, MongoDB, Mongoose. So if I look under here, yeah, okay. Well, you know what? I need to go through the curriculum anyway. So I'm really just trying to think myself through this process, how I want to do this. My priority right now is to determine a suitable time frame for one that would be interested in completing like a live follow along. I want to do full stack. So you have to do responsive web design. And then you have to do JavaScript. DSNO. Oh, DSNA. What the heck? Why did I say oh? One, two. Then we do front-end libraries. It still blows my mind that React overtook Angular. It's been long enough. React's been in the lead long enough that some people won't even understand why that blows my mind. And that part is like crazy to me. I think we was on like, I think when I first learned Angular, it was like 1.56, something like that. It was definitely Angular 1 though. Nobody likes Angular anymore. What they do? What did Angular do to the JavaScript community? I'm just trying to figure it out. Cause I missed it. Whatever happened. I went off into back end land, came back, and it was just like, oh, we don't do Angular no more. We actually do like writing HTML and JavaScript together. We changed our minds. Cause at first nobody was interested. Everybody was like, why would you do that? Y'all just spent like the last however many years teaching us not to have separation of concerns. Yeah, I would skip over 4 and go to the relational database and then the back end and APIs. Oh, backend only teaches microservices. Only 2 of these say microservices, but it definitely said all of the projects are microservices, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, maybe the exercise tracker is not? Yeah, that one's full stack. Okay. I was gonna say, There has to be a full stack project. Beautiful. Dang it, where am I supposed to be? Okay, so we're gonna do responsive web design, JavaScript, data structures and algorithms, front end libraries, then relational databases. Then do back end. Okay. Scientific computing, data analysis, machine learning. Wait, what status is this machine learning one in? Ouch. Okay, so it's still one that they highlight. Oh, okay. So I think you need to do the Python first. Okay. So back end, maybe the QA one, because testing is important, but like I'm not necessarily not personally trying to teach a whole QA course. Not that it's not important. It's just not my wheelhouse. So insertions. I do TDD I TDD. So if it's just testing, cool, but all right, so maybe we will do this one. Which number was that? QA. Okay. Now, which one leads you into Python? Because the Python for everybody is a legacy. So what's the new Python intro? Scientific computing with Python? Does this teach Python? String manipulation by building a cipher. Oh, learn fundamental programming concepts in Python. Okay. Let me see something. OT. Okay. So this is where we would go next. Yeah, see, like, why would I write curriculum from the ground up when Free Code Camp already has it? But I do still believe that where I would love to be more supportive is like actually being a real-time resource as people are going through this material. So, and machine learning, Python and machine learning are what I would basically go to immediately after teaching the full stack. So the fact that it's already here is pretty fantastic. Now what I'm trying to figure out though, oh my gosh, what's up, is What's the difference between this beta cert and this data analysis? Was this also supposed to teach you Python? I don't think so. It jumps straight into projects. Okay. Pandas data frames. NumPy. So it's actually probably going to be good. Here, let's do QA. So then you need, how do they have it listed here? Hold on. Okay, yeah, you need scientific computing. I think you really should also have data analysis if you go to, before you go to the machine learning one, because like using NumPy and Pandas and all that, that would be good to have that there. Oh, I need to get in Discord. Ooh. What the heck project is this? I've been wanting something like this. Oh my gosh. It doesn't. They don't. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Pause. We gotta just pause real quick. Where's they read me? I've been wanting something like that. It's like a more detailed GitHub or contribution graph that you can put in your markdown file for your profile. What did I just click on? Okay. Where's the code? I'm trying to see where this is coming from. repobeats.axiom.co. Repo Beats. Am I the only person that never heard of this? Repo Beats? Is that a thing that I should know about? Insights for your GitHub repo. Let everyone see the top contributors. Because I want something that shows my activity even when it's on a branch or a fork. Pull requests. Open closed issue ratio, commits, contributors. But see, this is more of a specific project, huh? I want something that's user specific. Okay, that was a nice little rabbit hole, but I can close. Let's go back. Bump. All right, so moral of the story is basically cover every single one of these. Basically cover every single one of these sections. The Python track would consist of am I still in the README file? Tree main. QA. All right, so then you got scientific computing. You got data analysis. And then, see, the InfoSec one, it's not really my forte. Granted, I will probably benefit from going through that. And then ML with TensorFlow. College algebra with Python. I could probably personally benefit from that, if I'm being honest. Okay, so that's all of those. Let me see. Did I really put... I know I had this on my calendar at one point. Calendar for March. So this is February. Show me a week at a time. Today. I don't... Okay, so I could be tripping because time's going by so quickly. Maybe I thought I was going to do this last year. I don't know. I know somewhere I made like a starter schedule. Okay. Well, I'm not seeing it. So... Oh, guess what? Guess what I did? Nobody cares, but I don't have my iPad. It just occurred to me when I saw free and paid Notion plans, Notion templates. I bought a digital planner template on Etsy last night for this morning. It's all very fuzzy to me. I completely forgot I did that until just now. Hold on. I'm about to go get my. Let me go get this planner. I mean, my iPad. Okay. So, right before I was starting the stream, I was looking through the bed for I forgot what I was looking for, but I was looking through my blankets for something, and then I saw my Apple Pencil just randomly in the bed, and then I was like, "Huh, that's weird." And like, so I was like, I fell asleep doing something on my iPad, and now I just remembered. I saw this cute template, and I wanted it so bad, and I just got it. And the only thing I ever buy on Etsy is like digital downloads. Okay, yes. This is random. I got this. It's so cute. That's a front. All right, it's plenty of pages, but it was too cute. Um, I go back and forth with whether like I really don't. I love having a physical notebook and having like physical copies of things. Like I prefer that. But most of the time I end up not being able to for whatever reason. So I'm gonna see how this works. So I got the planner. But I want something for curriculum, like to organize the curriculum because it can be a lot to manage. Oh, so this one has lesson plans. Mm, lesson plans, teacher curriculum planner. Let me do this one's by Notion, so that's definitely worth looking at. Hmm. So I like this structure, but maybe it would benefit from a calendar layout. Can you have two date fields on a where's my Notion? Can you have two date fields on a you should be able to, right? Um Here, let's actually do this. Am I signed in? No. Start with this template. I don't want to do that. Phonology, morphology, calendar. So they have a calendar view, but what are these due dates? Or are these teaching dates? Lesson date. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's a simple one that I can probably do. And for the most part, if I'm being honest, with Notion, one of the things that's helped me, my candle's so low that the wicks burned out. RIP. Yeah, one of the things about Notion is that at this point in my life, I try to start out minimal and then build up from there, unless I really like a template. Otherwise, I just start with something and go from there. So I might use this one, but I'm gonna look at that other one too. I didn't think I was gonna have to burn another candle today. So this is a good one. And then the other one, this one right here. Online course, lesson planner. Course creation hub. Online course homepage. Lesson planner. Coaching, course creator. All right, so let's look at the second one because I don't see anything else interesting. This one right here. So you got the curriculum. You can section them by courses. So these are all lessons, and then they have a course. What's related curriculum? You put more than one in here? What the heck just happened? Unit. Huh? Oh, I'm switching back and forth? I was confused. Okay. All right. Oh, I see. Related curriculum. So this is the lesson. This lesson is a part of that unit. That was throwing me off. It's this right here. So this is a unit, and then this is a lesson in that unit. Then calendar wise, what do these dates refer to? They just call it date. Let's see, that's a unit. So that 122. My gut is saying go with the other one. It's more straightforward. When you create a new unit, a new lesson will automatically be generated and relate to that unit. For any new lessons, you will have to connect the unit under the related curriculum property. Otherwise, when you open the unit page, You will not see. Yeah, see, I'm done already, actually. Thank you. I might want this down the line, but that just, it's already making my brain hurt. Okay, so let's go back to the other template. I promise this is why Notion is my best friend now. And I'm about to really be working out this iPad. That's why I went in, that's why I'm like, I bought a digital planner template because I'm like running through notebooks right now and I don't know what to do with my life, and I got like, I'm spreading my information across too many different sources, and especially since I'm about to start studying again, I think when it comes to studying, I am not going to be taking notes in like a notebook. Um I think I'm going to take all my notes digitally because that will be, I'm not saying I won't have physical notes, but I think the digital version is what I want to kind of keep a history of and be able to search through and stuff like that. So we going with we going with the simple one right now, which is up here. Teacher home. Wasn't the teacher home, it was the lesson plans. Wait, so does teacher home have lesson plans? Because lesson plans should be like a template, but teacher home looks like a hub. Featured. Add your class, syllabus, lesson plans, notes, and more. Use this as a home for all things teaching related. Let me see this one. Because I would assume that the lessons are just that lesson template. Status. Calendar. Oh. Is this the same? It's pretty much the same, right? Let's go back and see. Teacher home. Can I? New tab. That. Thank you. And then tab this one. All lessons. Close that. Yes, all right. I don't know what I just did. Hold on. Okay. Name, lesson, name, date, status, type, and created. That's basically what they have. I think this lesson plan is the same thing. Oh, it has, this one does have a concept of units actually. Standards. All right. Because I'm already going back down this complication rabbit hole. So if I come back here, have pages that you'll share. So you can have units right here. Did the other one have like, see, I do kind of want to, I think the units is going to be good. Having that already set up would be good for me because this is many different courses. At least having units would be good. I just don't want to have like super complicated process to do it. If I make a unit, I can have all the lessons that go to that unit, but standards. I think I'm just gonna do this one and then I'm gonna update it the way I need to because I don't I think I'm gonna end up having to customize it anyways based on what I'm seeing. So Notion, I'm gonna go to it on another browser real quick. Why do y'all just be sheesh. Alright, maybe see if I can take this link, duplicate. Oops, enter. What the heck? Why you keep trying to come here? I don't want it to show that. Let's go to project planner. Project planner. No. All right. Let's see. Go back. I just need this link. Get this template. Oh, yeah, acting like I'm not logged in. Where would you like to add this? Okay, because yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do some work on this anyway. So let's do it like this. Lesson plans. Alright, it should be in my Notion now. Where'd I put it? Alright. So we need the lesson plans, and I need to run through the curriculum for sure. All right, so the priorities are basically, where is it? All right. Hey, preacher, it's going good. How are you? I do need to go get a candle. I'm just debating on how long I'm gonna be here at this computer. All right. So. Ooh-wee. Okay. I'm working on the project I was talking about the other day. Um, doing a live teach through of the Free Code Camp curriculum. So, you know what's really getting on my nerves? How many freaking Trump text messages I get. Whoever before me has me getting all kinds of extremely Trump related text messages to my phone. I don't know if these were like subscribed to or if this is just in general political like spam. Oh my goodness, Frozer, thank you for the raid. I'm moving so fast I didn't even get on Twitch earlier to see that you were streaming, but I hope your stream went well. Welcome in, everybody. I'm over here eating chips. So no, Frozer, you were here when oh, you know what? Sometimes people get like pre-rolls and stuff. Frozer, you were here when I was talking about this the other day. Teaching some of the open source curriculum. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Just looking at the curriculum so I can start getting a sense of how long it would take if somebody wanted to just like, follow along, probably part-time. How many weeks will it take us to get through the different sections? As much material as they have here, I might be teaching all year, honestly. because I all of these fall, pretty much everything here is good to cover at some point. Besides, I'm not gonna say besides, but the only thing I personally is not like within my wheelhouse more so is like the info security certification. Like I would probably get some good experience out of that, you know, going through it myself. But I want to focus on full stack stuff and machine learning. At first, I said I was gonna do the machine learning crash course, but Free Code Camp already has a TensorFlow ML track. So yeah, basically my thought process is like, as I'll basically teach I'll basically go through and teach all of these. I'm just kind of, I need to basically put a timeline together. So I'm looking forward to that. That's pretty much what I'm looking at today. We were up like in the middle of the night. Multiple people that's here was also there. Because yesterday I fell asleep around 6 or 7. And for those that don't know, we are on 365 days of code. So therefore, when I fell asleep at like 6 in the evening, I had not done my stream yet. So I woke back up at 1 o'clock in the morning to do my stream yesterday. Then I ended up staying up until just staying up until like 5. My thought process was like, well, I did really sleep for like 8 hours, so I might as well go ahead and start my day. Now, for the record, I did end up taking a little nappy nap. But yeah, I was up streaming from like 1 something to like, I think I got off stream when my 5 o'clock alarm went off. 5 a.m. And then I was up for a minute, like made breakfast and stuff, got stuff ready for us to go to church. Then around like 7-ish, I was like, let me get this little 1 hour nap in. So I did go back to sleep and get like a quick nap in, maybe like an hour. But otherwise, yeah, I've been up. So I'd be all over the place. I was lurking and was caught off by that. Yeah. I'm in a phase where it's like I just gotta go with the flow in some regards. So now it would be different if I woke up after like getting a 1 hour nap, then I would have went straight back to sleep. But I was asleep for like a good 7-8 hours. After I calculated it out, I was like, that's like a whole night's rest. I just went to bed way too early. Glad you made it through day 56. Heck yeah. This is just, that's why I said, I'm like, it's more challenging, but it's so much more straightforward because there's no question whether I'm going to stream or not. It's just a matter of get your butt up and stream at some point. So of course, when I woke back up at like 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, well, I guess I gotta get up because I already done fell asleep. I can't like let the day, I can't let, like, I don't know. To me, I feel like if I still stream that night, y'all not about to sit here and do me dirty. You know what I mean? Like, let me count that. Which is why, even though I was streaming at 1 o'clock this morning, we still streaming right now in the afternoon. So yeah, it was cool though. We got some work done. There was like at least a couple other folks had projects that they were working on too. So now this is what I left off on. I want to put a timeline together so that I can say for sure, like, okay, we're gonna do responsive web design for this many weeks, these days, these times. In order to do full stack, we need responsive, JavaScript, front end, libraries, If I want to do MERN, I think I could skip this relational database certification. So the bare minimum, I think, would be responsive, JavaScript, front end, and then back end. That's full stack. MERN. Because this has, yeah, Mongo and Mongoose is in here. And then the bare minimum you kind of need for the Python, you need the scientific computing because this is the intro Python material. And you kind of need data analysis too because this is pandas and NumPy and stuff like that. So machine learning would be the scientific computing, data analysis, and then machine learning with Python. So at the very least, that's 3 for machine learning, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But probably all of these will get covered. You think we'll do you dirty? Y'all be doing me dirty all the time. What? Speaking of which, let me fix those let me fix those redemptions, because y'all like to torture me and I don't understand why. Hold on, wait a minute. I can't even turn it off. See, now that I brought it up, I just put myself at risk. I don't recall these times. You're usually right there in the front. Since you brought it up, I'm not doing that other language we did last. I'm not doing that at all. I'm never touching that again. Oh my god. I need a fun random language. What was the one we did last time? Emoji? Or something emoji related. I brought that on myself. I'll take that. The same language with a twist. Yeah, okay, I did emoji code. Yeah, you already requested that one before. I'm not trying to crunch in y'all ear, but these chips are good. See, man, I shouldn't have said nothing. My brain power is on E, okay? I don't know what random language to do. Most popular new programming languages. I just had the worst idea of all time. You know what I haven't written in a long time? Okay. Prolog. No. C++. Not quick basic. I never learned C. C is the language I was supposed to be learning in the class where my instructor taught us C++. And that's even funny because he was like, oh, y'all don't, it was supposed to be C and Unix. He's like, y'all don't need to learn C. Let's just start y'all with C++. So we learned C++ in our C and Unix class. Prolog deals with AI. I didn't read that far. I don't usually pick languages that I actually care about learning, that I'm already gonna probably like experience anyway. That sounds like Have I learned this? Oh, you said I have learned assembly. Forgot it though. Yeah, when I was in school, I was in an engineering college, so it was a point where some company was sponsoring us to learn assembly for free. I don't remember nothing about it at all. I'm tempted to do C++ plus plus though, because why? It's been so many years since I touched C++. Plus plus. Now here's a stupid question. Wow, usage-based billing. Okay, business model. Okay, it's not a stupid question. See out. Is it like see out? I don't remember. There is a C plus plus. I got Replit. I'll do C plus plus because I feel like oh it's already there. I had it right though. I had it right almost. I know it was a C out. Okay. I kind of got to see it, but now let's do my own file. I mean, hello worlds are like so straightforward a lot of times. I'm surprised that was I'm surprised it was so concise. cpp.sh. Wait, why do I need to go here? This also tells me all the things. I want to see like I just want a blog or something. learncpp.org. It's still under construction. How long it been under construction is the real question. You never know. This could be old, new. Okay. C plus plus. How else would anybody call it? It is a general purpose programming language that is free form and compiled. It is regarded as an intermediate level language. And that's the first thing y'all be wanting to teach, as it comprises both high level and low level language features. It provides imperative, object oriented, and generic programming features. C plus plus is one of the most popular programming languages and is implemented on a wide variety of hardware and operating system platforms. As an efficient, performance driven programming language, it is used in system software, application software, device drivers, embedded software, high performance server and client applications, and entertainment software such as video games, which most people give C++ credit for, as far as my experience. Various entities provide both open source and proprietary C++ compiler software, including the FSF, LLVM, Microsoft, and Intel. Scratch. I know Scratch. Well, I know the little blocks. But with AI genetic algorithm, why? See what I'm saying? Like, was I lying? No, I was telling the truth. You planning the next torture session. That's crazy. All right, so we have to import the standard library, right, or something. What's IOStream? Input output stream. Every C++ program uses libraries which give the ability to execute necessary functions, such as the cout function. It is defined in the IOStream header file. So first we are going to import IOStream, and then we need a namespace too. To add the ability to run the cout command to our program, we must add the following include directive to the first line of code. The second part of the code is the actual code which we're going to write. The first code which will run will always reside in the main function. Okay, so you just skipped over the namespace, right? Am I missing that? Someone done it already. What's this? Simple genetic algorithm. This says not hello world. What are you talking about? You can't. It's only hello world. There is not ain't no extra add-ons. Ain't no extra add-ons. What's hello world in Scratch? I need to make him say something, right? I think he has a speech bubble. Motion. Hold on, because I can't see the edge of my monitor. Okay. Motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing. I thought events. No, control. I could have sworn. Oh, say. There it is. Control. When clicked. Say hello. Can I make variables or no? Oh yeah, variable right here. Is there any? Then I just feel like I should have like some type of end. No? Scratch is such a cute little Talk. He not talking. He didn't say it. Do I have to change the look of it or something? It's not even running. Yeah, I broke it. Why? No, I didn't exactly expect that to just prevent anything from happening. Unless it's stopping it so quickly, I can't see it. All right. And I got like 4% on my battery on my camera. Leave. All right, so we got our main, and then you can return 0. If you're gonna let me go to the next thing, yeah, okay. I was about to say, I don't got time for that. The thing is, I'm pretty sure that exercise said it was the hello world. Did it not? Am I tripping? Change the program in the bottom in a way that it prints the output. Okay, it was a part of the code challenge, I guess. All right, so what do we do? Like include. Is it? What's the syntax? Yep, I thought so. And then IO stream. Do I need semicolon? Yes and no. It's like I don't need it here, but then is it using namespace? And then int main. Oh no. Oh, I think. My battery is about to die. Dang, y'all telling me everything. See out. World. And then I have to do the new line character. Oh. Okay. Right, but I'm assuming that we had the main.cpp because that the main function is usually what is going to run automatically when you run the program. Am I tripping or am I tripping? I'm not trying to go down the rabbit hole, but I might spend a little time on C++. But my camera's about to die, y'all. So we got a healthy amount of work to do this week coming up. I'm gonna put together my schedule. Oh wow. I'm gonna put together my schedule and let y'all know too. There's some people I want to ask y'all if you would be interested in participating with this little teaching foray we are going on with Free Code Camp. I would love to have some guest speakers because y'all are awesome. So don't be surprised if I hit you up. What is the goal for the week? The goal for the week is organized content calendar, organized program calendar, because I'm doing a lot of teaching and I need to get that in order, and I want to be able to announce this. So that is my goal for the week. We should post goals in Discord. Let's post goals if anybody wants to. I'm gonna post in Busybody. I think that's like the more of the goal productivity channel. Because I know my camera is gonna give out any second now. We are gonna go and raid Queen. I can post the goals for the week. Okay, cool. I'll see you. I'm gonna go get in Discord. I know my camera's about to die though. But we are gonna go raid Queen Panda and hang with her. She was here with us at like 3 o'clock in the morning. She got offline at the same time I did, working on one of her tasks that she had to finish. So show her some love, and I will definitely be seeing y'all tomorrow. Oh man, my ear hurts. I'm looking forward to this teaching thing, so I hope that other people get excited about it as well. And in the meantime, I hope everybody has a good evening.